Boy, oh boy, do I have a treat for you today. So welcome back to the Time Savers community. Today we're demonstrating this unbelievable Chrome extension, which will literally do your social media marketing. Now, if you want more sales in your business, you probably already do this. And if you don't, you should be doing this. And if you already are doing this, it's time to let this Chrome extension do it for you. So this Chrome extension, its whole purpose is to share your post in all the groups that you are that you want to. So for example, let's say you have a post with, let's say you've created something, you've written a book, and you want to promote it in all the book groups that you're in. So this Chrome extension will do that for you, and I'm about to demonstrate it. Just to show you quickly, step by step, how it works. But the idea of this Chrome extension is to make you money by doing your social media marketing. Because what it does, it actually shares your post in all of the groups, one after the other, in a very human way, not in a spammy way. And it has features built in to help you make sure that you're not creating spammy content. And let me show you some examples of what we have here. It can create AI variations of your post. So for example, guys, no more manual sharing to one group at a time. Let this Chrome extension share your post into groups for you and be your secret social media marketer, yeah? Then you can select how many variations, and then in each group it will submit a different variation of this text. And here is the one of the variations. Tired of endless manual sharing? Get this Google Chrome extension to auto share your post across many groups, as you can see over here. Now it literally works on top of Facebook, so it will literally show these user interface checkboxes where you can literally check them and you don't have to share each time. You know how annoying Facebook is, where you have to share to each group one at a time? It's the dumbest thing. Anyone who has patience to do that is actually doing good for himself, because that's how you get yourself very known, and that's how you make more sales. So let's have a look here at how it looks. So it looks like this. You select the groups you want, you can check and uncheck them, and when you're ready, you just click share to selected groups, and then you can track the progress, as you can see, sharing to AI tools for entrepreneurs. And so it's actually going to promote itself. Literally, imagine a Chrome extension that promotes itself. Think about that for a second. Just try and take that in. So the idea of this Chrome extension is basically you select the groups, create a random delay. When you click on the randomized button here, it will literally randomize the delay between each post so that it won't look like spam to Facebook. So this is another feature that will make it less spammy. We don't want to be spammy. We want to be genuine. So this Chrome extension is going to do your social media marketing. So now let's go. You can add it to Chrome and try it for free. And so let's just go to Facebook now and give it a real try. Let's go to the Solations page. And what we're going to do, we're going to find a nice post that has never been shared before. So as you can see over here, this post has never been shared before. Now, for those of you who want a social media marketer but don't want to spend money on that, this Chrome extension will now do your social media marketing for you without you paying a human being a lot of money. This is pennies. This is pennies. Here, you click on share. Watch the magic. You click on group and watch this, guys. Watch this, what you're about to see. Check this out. You can see all the groups have a checkbox next to them. Well, at least some of them do. Here we are. They all pop up with checkboxes. Now, when you click select all groups, you can literally submit your post, share it to all of these groups in one click. Now, how do I do that? Let me show you the exact procedure. So I'm going to open up the Chrome extension, and this is going to be my social media marketer. So this is absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to show you how this looks when it's working. So here we are, multiple group share assistant. Let me do your social media marketing. So now I want to write something that will be included in the post. You know that blurb you have to write when you share? So you can also save it into your saved prompt templates, and I have one saved. Here we are, the one I showed you earlier. Then you can create AI variations. So I'm going to create 10 variations, and then it will create 10 unique variations of this exact text, so that I can then post them each to one group. And that's it. You can also edit each one and undo the ones you don't like. Use selected variants. And now we have to choose the groups that you want to share this post with. So right now we've selected them all. So you can obviously uncheck ones that you've already done. And then you can also select the delay between each one. And you can create a random delay as well. Add another random delay after that. All of these features here are going to help you to keep your account in good standing with Facebook. Now you click on share to selected groups, and this is where the magic happens. I'm going to close this because you don't need it open, and you can actually move this. So as you can see, if you look at what's happening right now, it's writing the post, one of the variations, and then after that it's going to post it, and then it's going to move on to the next one. So as you can see, it's doing one at a time. And this tool is your new social media marketer. No longer do you have to post in groups one at a time like Facebook forces you to. This tool will actually do it for you. It will literally do your social media marketing and sharing in Facebook itself. So let's just watch it do one more. And with that, we'll finish this video, this demo video of this incredible Chrome extension. So you see it's waiting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it's going to do the next one, and it's going to write the next blurb. It's going to choose the correct group, which is the AAA test group, and then it's going to write a different blurb based on the variations, and then it's going to post. So what's happening right now is that I have AI doing my social media marketing, and this tool is only for Facebook. It only works when you're sharing on Facebook to groups you are already in. So it's a fantastic tool. I highly recommend you add it to Chrome. It's going to change your game. It's going to give you so much publicity. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.